Breaking news, everyone. The SFT service is going to go into effect on Monday when it is published to the Fed Register. It says right here, scheduled to be published on 6/6/2022. I know that there's some people out there who have no clue what they're talking about that are back on the Evergrande narrative. I'm going to do a couple of quick Google searches to show you how intellectually dishonest and or just lazy this guy is pushing this content. It is highly inaccurate. Again, Google searches validate this very quickly. If you go to Google and you type in Evergrande default and you go to the news tab, there's nothing related to what he's talking about anywhere here. They were officially declared in default all the way back in December of last year by two credit assessment companies, S&P 500 and Fitch. So again, Boss Blunts, I know that you need this narrative to stay relevant in your community, but the reality is you're misleading them. And you have to know you are, because number one, DSMA does not exist. Marco Metzler is a fraud, and he's not at all the person he claims to be. And again, this document here, the one that you don't read because you blocked me because you're scared, you know I'm right and you know you're wrong, this is the second Google search you can utilize to show that this guy knows shit for nothing when it comes to most everything that he talks about. So in short, what was the three red lines policy? Forced deleveraging. Forced deleveraging. So again, the collateral you think is going to magically unwind, although it's already been unwound during this policy period that's over, is laughable. And you need to read some shit other than news articles, buddy. Because again, the 5 major reasons for this were to control housing prices, manage land markets, to ration credit to the real estate sector, to lower cyclicality, and real estate developers are systematically important. They already have a debt restructuring program in place. They're actually going to start rebuilding soon. So again, you can't prove any of this wrong because reasons. That's not good enough. You're going to have to come up with some evidence to get past this, buddy. Because again, I mean, how many times are you going to tweet about Evergrande in one day, buddy? You're wrong. And you're also wrong about the SFT. The primary reason for the SFT is 2 reasons. Number 1, to prevent fire sale. Number 2, to prevent liquidity drain. The primary reason for the SFT is to finance the whole fucking market they just shorted during the repo. So again, it helps to read stuff. Stay smart. Think for yourself so idiots like Boss Blunts don't do the thinking for you, because you can't rely on him for anything. He thinks theta is your friend. He thinks out of the money contracts start gamma squeezes. He thinks executive orders related to the Chinese military industrial complex has anything to fucking do with AMC or GME. Boss Blunts, you're a fucking idiot. I love you all. Have a great day. And seriously though, bro, go read a document. You are wrong. It's fucking hilarious.